how to start dropshipping on TikTok Shop with Printify. TikTok Shop Print on Demand tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how you will be able to set up your Printify and TikTok Shop together to be able to create your own print on demand shop. Now as you can see right now, I am currently in Printify and I already produced or created a lot of products and tested a lot of things with my Printify before. So today's video will be very brief and direct to the point. And as you can see here, first things first, create an account in Printify. Creating an account in Printify is very simple and very straightforward. There isn't really much requirements for you to be able to create one. You don't need to pay for anything as well. And before you do anything in Printify, I would suggest that you connect your store. Because if you already create a product in Printify without connecting your TikTok shop together with your Printify, any product that you will do will either get removed or the previously created item that you have just published before connecting it will no longer or will require you to re-enter it again because of the fact that the previous account or the previous product that you will be creating before connecting it will be saved on another shop. So first things first, connect your Printify store to your TikTok shop. So you can easily do that by clicking on my new store over here on the top left. And you could see here I have my eBay and Shopee or Shopify connected as well over here. To add one, you could either click on manage my stores or add a new store. As you can see, if you select add a new store, you will be able to see the options Etsy, Shopify, TikTok US, Walmart, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Press-Add API over here. As you can notice, TikTok is an option over here. Now, although this version or the TikTok that will allow you to be connected with Printify is only available in the US, so US residency is required. If you're someone who isn't living in the US, you won't be able to connect your store with your Printify. So that's the first step with creating it. So you could either create a new store from Printify or you could use an existing Printify store. And you could easily follow the next steps over here by connecting it to your TikTok shop by logging into your account. Now, unfortunately for me, I'm not in the US, so I cannot show you the next process. But the next process will just involve with you logging into your TikTok account through Printify. So let's assume you have already created or you have already connected your new store or your TikTok shop to your Printify. Now, the next step is creating products. You could easily create products by going over here in My Products and click on Create Order over here on the top right, click on Manual. Now, there will be a lot of products over here, but actually, if you want to create your new product or your own product, you could easily do that by going over here. Let's go to our dashboard. And under dashboard, you will be able to see like different products right now available. As you can see here, we could check on See Now, and then you could simply search here different types of product that you could create a design on. For example, you could create a design for t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, bags, blankets, and baby clothing, and many more over here. So you could choose any of this option. As you can see, there's even vinyl decals if you want. So for us, let's choose a product that we would like to create a design on. So for example, this apron might be a good one, a good product. When you open a product in Printify, you will be able to see the materials used and information or details about the product to ensure that you are getting or to ensure that you know what type of product you will be getting and buying. And of course, selling to your TikTok shop as well. So there's that. You could see the About section over here, your different key features and instructions and sizing guides over here. The sizing guide is very important, of course, because they would like to know what size they would need to order. And there's also different types of print providers. Right now, for this specific product, there's only one, which is this one, MWW On Demand. And each type of providers has a different price range, as you can see here, and shipping and production time as well. So let's say I checked out a different type of product. Let's go with, I guess, socks. And check out these socks over here. It's also a different type of print providers. The most common type of product is t-shirts. So if we check this out, there will be much more print providers available. You can click on show additional providers, and as you can see, there's more providers for this type of product, as you can see. So let's go back and choose our original option, which is apron. If we could find it here, there we go, apron, and click on start designing. Now, as you can see here in this page, this is where we will be able to edit and design our design. Of course, you will be able to import design from either your device, or you can even use an AI image generator, or you could put in custom text, get images from Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even hire someone from Fiverr to create a design for you. There's also My Library, where it will consist all different types of designs that you have previously used before on your design. Then there's also templates and graphics over here. In graphics, this is where you will be able to find different types of elements that you could use to put together a decent design. Although this is a good section to create a design, I would suggest that you use Canva to design your outputs. And over here in Canva, there's a lot of things that you will be able to do, wherein you will be able to create a design from hundreds and thousands of different outputs. So let's click on create a design over here. Let's go with a random design for now. Hopefully this is portrait, but unfortunately it's landscape, so I'm going to convert this into a different size. Let's go with this one for now, or rather, let's go with something similar for now. There we go. Resize for design. There we go. So we will be creating our design over here in Canva that we would simply upload in our Printify later on. So over here, I have my canvas. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to click on elements and search for a specific topic. For example, my topic is waves. I could easily click on graphics, and you will be able to see hundreds and thousands of different designs of waves. For example, this one, I could easily drag and drop it over here just like that and create a very simple design. And you can simply add more designs in the background if you wish, just like this. See, I was able to easily create designs with just less than a minute. So depending on your creativity, you will be able to create amazing designs as well. So let me download this one as a PNG. And let's go back to our Printify over here. And there we go. Let's upload it in this section. And we will be able to get our output. So let's just give it a few seconds. There we go. Now let's simply make it the entire thing over here. And save product. Now, as you can see here in the publishing setting, it would require you to connect a store. But if your store or your Printify is already connected to your TikTok shop, you would easily be able to add it as it is. So you could also check out some mockups over here to see if your product looks right or if the product came out the way you wanted to. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.